Now, for those who've been looking forward to get an opportunity from one of my videos that can help you teach your children about finances at an early age, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are not familiar who I go by One Chief Compadre, and you're watching Chief Compadre TV, where on my channel we talk about savings, investing, politics, and sometimes story time. So today I have a book for those individuals who are trying to start their children off on learning about finances and how to build wealth. So this story is called MEKO the Money Tree, and the author is Eulica Kimber, and illustrated by Tgosketch illustration. One day, MEKO was grocery shopping with her mom and her sister, Maya. As always, they were only getting the basic items. MEKO loved seeing all the wonderful goodies at the store, especially in the cereal aisle. "Mom, look," said MEKO. "These cereals look yummy. Can we try a few of them?" "Tamika," Mom said, "money does not grow on trees. You can only spend each dollar once. You may pick one cereal." MEKO was disappointed but chose the less expensive brand of cereal that they always got. MEKO was outgrowing her shoes, so her mom took her to the shoe store to get her a new pair. She saw a pair of glittery red ruby colored party shoes on display. They were the most stylish and fanciest shoes MEKO had ever seen. "Mom, look at these shoes. They're even in my favorite color." Mom held up a larger size of the same pair of shoes that MEKO already had. "Tamika, money does not grow on trees. These shoes are well made and they go with both your school and church clothes. We can only spend each dollar once." MEKO was disappointed but agreed to get the less expensive shoe. "Hi, Grammy," said MEKO. "What are we having tonight?" "We had a lot of leftovers, sweetheart," said Grammy. "I thought I'd make a nice pot of soup with them." "Leftovers again?" complained MEKO. "Why can't we go to the Burger Max and have a Mac Shake combo tonight? We haven't gone in ages." "Oh, Tamika," said Grammy, "you know that money doesn't grow on trees. We can only spend each dollar once, so we must make the most of what we have." After dinner, MEKO soaked in her room. "Mom and Grammy always said the same thing. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees." MEKO looked out her window at the apple tree growing in the backyard. What if money did grow on trees? If MEKO and her family had their own money tree, life would be so different. If they had a money tree, MEKO would be able to choose as many flavors of cereal as she wanted. She would be able to have glittery ruby colored party shoes for every day of the week. She will be able to eat at Burger Max every day and order all of the different kinds of mac shake combos she could eat. Whenever Miko was low on money, she would have to go to the backyard and pick more money from her money tree. They would never run out. Miko's daydream was interrupted by her mother. Miko, honey, Mom said, I am heading to my 6 p.m. nursing class. Then I'll be at work at midnight. I will see you in the morning before you go to school. Don't forget to finish your homework and please go to bed on time. Miko's mom worked at a hospital as a helper. She helped patients with bathing, dressing, and meals. She also attended nursing school so that she could become a nurse. Miko was often sad that her mom was always gone when it was time for bed. Mom worked so hard, sighed Miko. She wished they could go on a vacation with the money tree. They could afford to travel somewhere with a beach, and everyone could play and relax all day. They could afford to eat at restaurants too. No more leftover soup. Miko and her family would never have to worry about money again. This is what life with the money tree would be like. The next day, Miko told her mom about her daydream of money tree. We could buy lots of things, Mom. We wouldn't have to choose only one cereal or plain shoes, and you wouldn't have to go to school or work all night. Miko, I know things have been hard since your dad passed away, but everything I do for you and your sister. I enjoy my work helping people who are sick. Working the midnight shift allows me to go to school. When I finish, I will be able to earn more money. And then we will be able to do many of the things we dream of. I dream of Burger Max in red ruby colored shoes, said Miko. Mom said, well, I dream of you going to college. Burger Max and red ruby colored shoes are temporary. You will be hungry again and you will outgrow the shoes. But what you learn can feed and clothe you for a lifetime. I want you to learn to water the money tree inside of you. Miko said, come on, Mom. Money trees don't grow inside of people. Mom laughed and said, think of your money tree as your potential. There is a place inside of you full of potential and possibilities. Money doesn't grow on trees, and you can only spend each dollar once. I choose to spend our money on things that give us the ability to make more money in the future. Miko said, I think I get it. You are going to nursing school and you want me to go to college so that we can earn money for a better life in the future. You got it. Now let's get you off to school, said Mom. Yeah, it's time to go to school to water the money tree and me. So with this book, at the end of the story, you have activities. So page activity, it says, let's build our own vision board and make financial plans for the future. So what you can also do, depending on their age, you can have them do a vision board. You can have them create that and vision what they see for themselves for the future. Let me just give you a little bit of information about the author. So, Eulica is a certified public accountant who enjoys teaching her now adult daughter's financial literacy principles. She is also the co-author QuickBooks Online for small nonprofits and churches and is principal owner of Firm Foundation Accounting Solutions PLC in Virginia. She specializes in helping nonprofits, churches, and small businesses. Eulica Kimber prospers with the mindset that it takes wisdom to build a house and understanding to set it on a firm foundation. Proverbs 24:3, the Message Bible. Learn more about Eulica's work. Visit www.firmfoundationsaccountingsolutions.com. Okay, so there you have it. So here is a story, once again, called MEKO The Money Tree. So basically what you can do, you can start as early as possible reading them stories about financial literacy. So you don't have to wait on someone else to teach your son or daughter about financial literacy. You can start at home, and all it takes is maybe going to the library or going online and buying books, and they don't cost that much. And you can start them off and get them to have a foundation of understanding on the value of a dollar. So until then, have a great day. Make sure to destroy the like button and become a subscriber. So until then, see you later.